Hello everyone, this is Michael with National Bus. You can reach us at 1-800-475-1439 or visit us online at www.nationalbus.com. And today, I've got this 2011 International ICCE 41 passenger for you. Now this one is a new arrival and it's exactly how it came in. As of this video, we haven't detailed it, reconditioned it, or touched it at all yet. So short of me editing out the lettering of the previous owners, what you're seeing is exactly how it arrived to us. So this is as transparent a video as it can be. Now this bus is powered by a diesel engine, it's equipped with air brakes, and has actually been driven less than 9,000 miles per year on average, which is very reasonable. Around the exterior, you've got full tint all the way around, the white roof, and overall, the bus presents surprisingly well for a 2011. Now one of the standout features is the rear air ride suspension, which is something that passengers, drivers, and operators all tend to appreciate whether they realize it's there or not. Moving inside, you've got built-in child seats in the first two rows, making this a really flexible option for schools, child care operations, churches, and any other organizations moving younger passengers at times as well. The floor is in really solid shape. You've got lights on the roof rails, and the passenger seating only shows a few cosmetic vinyl issues here and there that we can easily address. And one of the biggest highlights is the factory front and rear AC. That's an uncommon feature for school buses, especially older school buses, and it will make a noticeable difference in passenger comfort. Up front, the driver's area is equipped with an air ride driver's seat. The upholstery shows a little wear, but nothing major, and it's something we can easily address if desired. You've also got cruise control, powered and heated outside mirrors, built-in cup holder, and a little bit of driver storage integrated into the armrest area. It also has a light and easy-to-use manual door, which is one less complicated maintenance item to worry about. So overall, this is a well-equipped bus that offers a lot of useful features without the price tag that typically comes with a much newer model. Rear air ride, factory AC, child seats, all make it a bus worth taking a closer look at. And as always, we can customize this bus directly to your needs, whether that's recon work, graphics, lettering, storage solutions, or anything from simple upgrades all the way to full body wraps and graphics. So if this 2011 International ICCE is of interest to you, or if you have any other transportation needs from passenger vans to school buses, activity buses, shuttle buses, motor coaches, or our Ultra Coach liner in newer pre-owned conditions, then please do feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-475-1439 or visit us online at www.nationalbus.com, where we'll be happy to hear from you. Until then, thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you again soon.